Joshua.
Hello.
And we are actually at his house, him and Kaylin's house, for Father's Day. Last night we had a fire in this fire pit, and Joshua...
Which is brand new, first fire.
First fire, so Joshua's not used to using it or whatever, and you were distracted because we had a bunch of people around and the kids and all that. So he really had a bad accident, actually. So you want to tell him what you did?
Sure. So
he's admitted to stupidity.
Moment of vulnerability here. Yeah.
Exactly.
So we actually came back and the screen was off
on the floor,
on the ground.
On the ground.
And so we put some more wood on the fire, right? Well, I mean, you know,
You just pick it up.
why on earth would you not use the poker stick and screen lifter that comes with it, right? to lift it up. So instead of doing that, it was just shaking, baking, rock and rolling, and I reached down and picked it up like this. And as I lifted it up, my finger was like searing, and it was
Like literally.
it was no good. So yeah, so got a pretty nasty burn on my finger, and it hurt pretty bad. You can see it's
It's really blistered.
it's
and
blistered
so is
up
this side.
pretty
This
good.
is
Yeah. Oh, I
blistered.
didn't even realize I did that till later, but
Yeah.
got this one pretty good, and so
Right in the crease.
yeah, it hurts, Mama. And so I decided that I needed to ice it.
We're videoing.
That's my grandma, great grandma.
That's your great grandma.
My great grandma. So I iced it for like 2.5 hours, and it was burning like crazy.
Like literally, you had your finger in ice water for
Yeah.
2.5 or 3 hours.
Yep. And every time I took it out, it was burning, like it was just hot. Like this finger, which is out of the ice water, was colder than this finger, which was in the ice water. So I didn't really know what to do, and then it was like, oh, duh, climate control.
Yeah, right.
So I got some climate control and put it on here, and within seconds it felt better, and I was actually able to sleep, which was awesome because I was like, I had a thick cup of ice next to my bed.
You took my climate control.
I took
need a
yes,
shout out.
I took my wife's. Shout out to Kaylin Taylor. Get your kiss on. Put climate control on here, and it made it almost instantly feel better. And I put it on again this morning, and it's great. It feels great. It doesn't look horrible, but that blister is gonna be nasty when it pops.
Yeah.
So that's my little
If you got
that's
it
my
on
little
there right
prop
away,
for climate control.
So
Yeah,
climate
that's a
control
good
is not normally for burns. It's for your face and for moisture. And burns,
For your
really
face.
bad burns, it's one of the worst things about a really bad burn is the dehydration of your skin. And not only that, obviously the hurting of your skin and what it does to blister and all that. But this will work for sunburns. If you bad burns on your shoulders or your face or whatever. But the thing about it is called climate control because it controls the moisture and coolness of your skin. It cools the skin down. So that's why he had such amazing results because his finger was so hot that once he put the climate control on, it cooled it down and took the sting out so he was able to sleep. Because we were all worried about you not being able to sleep.
Yeah,
'cause
well, I
it
was
hurt
too.
so bad. Yeah.
So
So anyway, another yay for climate control.
Yeah.